What's going on, you guys? I'm back with another video. Today it's gonna be just something simple, just a couple mods that we're doing to the car. I'm planning on changing out my side markers on my Charger. I feel like the OEM ones are honestly like super ugly. So I bought some white LED side marker lights. I tried to install them honestly on my own. I wasn't able to. It just put me in an uncomfortable position where like I had to like angle myself weirdly. And honestly, I just gave up after like a day. It was supposed to take me an hour from like YouTube, but I don't know how those people do it. But it took me like 4 hours and I was only able to take off the tabs and that's it. So I'm gonna take it off to my friend. He does a whole bunch of like work. He's done his own wide body on his own scat. So I'm gonna just take it out to him, take you guys along with me, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, you guys, so we just got done with the side markers. I didn't record just for privacy reasons for my boy. He has his children with him at his place, and so I didn't want to record and all that stuff. Just for privacy reasons, I didn't record the installation process, but I did come out to like a little parking garage that's nearby his place just to kind of show you guys the finished product. So this is it. He installed the side marker lights here. Originally they're supposed to be like a clear yellow, I believe. So we had these switched out and made them black. They're supposed to light up as white now, so it's white all the way around, front and rear, which honestly I thought was gonna look a lot better with the forged carbon wrap. And I haven't turned them on and seen like from the outside perspective yet, so it's gonna be a first reaction as well from me. They're smoked out all the way around, front and rear. They all light up the same color, just white, some white LEDs. Please excuse my car. It's like all dirty and stuff. I haven't washed it in like a couple weeks, honestly. It's just been raining. It's been raining here a lot, so no reason to really wash it if it's just gonna get dirty again. But let me go ahead and turn on these lights real quick. As you can see, I'm gonna have to cast a shadow on it just because the sunlight's not gonna let you guys see. But honestly, these look pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, these are pretty sick. I don't regret not going with white. I think white complemented the car perfectly, in my opinion. This is the other side. Again, because of the wrap, I feel like with black and the white, it looks a lot better. But honestly, I can't hate on this side too. This side looks awesome. Like, again, I don't regret going with the usual LEDs. They usually go with like the orange in the back, or sorry, red in the back, and then yellow in the front. But they do like the full light, the full LEDs. I felt like white would complement the car beautifully, and again, I don't regret it. I think it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm still working on lowering the car again. I've just been taking it step by step. I haven't really been rushing it too much. But yeah, this is how they look. This car's just begging to be washed. probably watch it this weekend. I don't plan on going out anytime soon anyway, so I'll probably just watch it this weekend. Alright, you guys, so we came to get some gas real quick. I'm running out. Still have like an hour drive, so I had to fill up on some gas. Still got an hour drive. Honestly, there's not really much to this video. Just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on what I'm doing to the car. Just changing some LEDs. I think the next thing for right now that I would be doing to the car is I'll probably get those headers ordered and installed, and then I'll go with more appearance looks after, once I get tuned and everything like that. I want to make sure that I'm actually, people say like all show no go. I want to make sure that I can actually go and not just show. So I'm trying to get that full bolt-on tune, those headers installed first before I continue buying any more things. I'll probably buy like a wicker bill, typical stuff, and then change my steering wheel. But that's about it. Honestly, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I know it wasn't too much, but I'll catch you guys at the next one. Peace.